Good morning. Welcome back to Satterwhite Log Homes. Man, it feels good to be back on the air, doesn't it, Robert?
Well, I'm usually not on the air as much as you are, so
hey, man,
kind of new to this.
Well, you're going to do fine. So we are glad to have you guys here at Satterwhite Log Homes on this beautiful Thursday around lunch. Today we're going to talk about spring cleaning. I know winter's not quite over with yet.
Right. But it's if you haven't cleaned it in a while, it's never too late to clean it.
Right, and it's been a mild winter so far, so it's warm enough you can get out there and do this.
We've been lucky.
Absolutely. So we're going to talk about some spring cleaning and some products that we offer here at Satterwhite Log Homes to help you get that task accomplished. So first off, I want to speak to you about our statement of beliefs here at Satterwhite Log Homes. We are Christians. We are not ashamed of our faith. We kneel to God only and to no man. We love America. We stand proudly for the pledge and for our national anthem. We are proud of our flag, our military, our law enforcement, and our first responders. We revere our founding fathers and our Constitution, and we will fight to the death for our families, our country, and our God.
Amen.
Amen. All right, Robert.
Okay, we're going to talk about some products from Permachink today, and kind of the steps of cleaning your house for the upcoming springtime.
Absolutely, and maintaining a home, whether it's a log home or a conventional home, it's all the same, and it's a lot easier to maintain something than it is to repair something.
Sure, absolutely.
So.
Just like your vehicle, you want to keep your oil changed instead of replacing your engine.
Right.
A couple years from now.
You can spend $100 on an oil change every 5,000 or 6,000 miles rather than putting
$6,000 engine.
Yeah, exactly.
Or more. Who knows?
Absolutely.
These days.
So, and everyone's home is different. So,
right.
What we recommend is you get out there. Springtime's a great time to do it.
Yeah, usually after the pollen has stopped falling, around here, the pine trees, they put a green wave off, and you got to wash your car off every day. And if you don't do anything by the end of the springtime, your house will be green.
That's true. So, get out there and inspect it. A couple tools I want to talk to you about first that are great for this is, this is a Ryobi electric pressure washer. This is not a real high-powered pressure washer.
Right, yeah.
They're not expensive, but
you don't really want a high pressure, for doing this type of work.
You're exactly right. You don't want to knock that stain off of there. You want something that's going to be mildly aggressive. This is a perfect product. Like I said, it's from Ryobi. This is a 1600 PSI. It's got several attachments. You got the wand here.
Mm-hmm. And you definitely don't want to force water places it doesn't need to be.
Well, that's exactly right. So I kind of tell my customers, treat it like a car. You can get out there with some Dawn dish soap and water, soft bristle brush like Robert's going to show you here.
Just nice little car wash brush, just like going to the car wash. If you use the wand, at the car wash and you wash your car, you can still go over to that fender and you can still get some grime off of there where the brush comes in handy. Log homes are the same way.
You can use the soap and water. We also offer a product called Log Wash.
It's pH balanced for your logs and the stain from Permachink as well.
This will not kill plants. It's a water-based product. It won't hurt animals. So you mix. There's mixing directions on here. You mix it with water. You spray it on your log home. You give it a little light brush with the light.
With the brush.
Light brush with the brush.
With the brush.
And then wash it off with your pressure washer.
And this is a concentrate, so it'll last you for a while. So you can
absolutely.
Use this for 2 or 3 years possibly if you're not just a giant house.
That's probably about $40 a gallon.
Yeah,
that will do generally most of the houses that we sell. I mean, you might need 2 gallons on these larger houses, but excuse me, I apologize. So you get out there with your log wash all your dirt and grime off.
And you want to inspect it good.
Right. Go ahead and talk to them about inspecting it.
Yeah, so you want to inspect all your checks and cracks and things like that. You can go over to your home and you can spray water on there. And if your water beads up, then you still have a good seal on it. But if your water's not beading up, you're more than likely going to need to put some of your clear top coat on there.
Right.
One coat will do. They talk about not overdoing it.
So this is Lifeline Advance. It's our clear top coat. In most situations, if the home is being cared for like it's supposed to be, you're not going to need the stain. You're just going to need a nice maintenance coat of the clear that comes in a gloss or a satin.
Mm-hmm.
If there are some areas that you've had some
stain failure
or something like that, we do offer the Lifeline Ultra 2 and the Ultra 7. That's from Permachink.
If you've got some stain failure, you're going to want to kind of sand that back a little bit and restain it and retop coat it. So
these are just 2 of the main products. It's the stain, it's the sealer, and we've got the log wash. Now, if there's some checks that you want to fill, we've got a product called Energy Seal. Energy Seal is a water-based caulking that is going to come in about, 15 different colors.
Yeah, or so, yeah. And it's a stainable caulk, so you can stain over the top of it.
And we have It comes in most of the same colors as the stain.
And they have a matching chart that kind of tells you which stains go with, Energy Seal goes with which color stain, so
Absolutely.
that's pretty helpful.
Yeah, so you just want to, you know, if this is something you guys can do yourself, if you don't want to do it yourself,
Hire a professional.
right, we've got plenty of references that we can refer you out to guys that will either travel to your area or already in your area.
Or and they can put you on a maintenance schedule as well. You know,
Right.
some of those guys do that. They'll come out and clean and inspect your house every year. So it's not a bad thing to do if you're, you know, not able or, you know, would rather have a professional do it. And you can also have them come out and show you a trick or two.
Yeah, absolutely.
It doesn't hurt to get them out there initially.
Yeah. On areas that have porches, you're probably not going to need to do much except for just kind of wash it off with a log wash and water. Areas that are not covered by porch, those are going to be a little bit more susceptible to the sun.
Right.
So kind of, you know, keen your eye in on those a little bit.
Right, yeah. If you don't have porches on either end, then you want to use a little more maintenance on those, inspect it more often. You know, go ahead and be proactive. That maintenance coat, that seal coat, it can be used as a maintenance coat as well.
Absolutely.
So be proactive.
We carry all these products here at Satterwhite Log Homes. We'd love for you to give us a call. Even if, you know, if you're
We
not
carry
sure.
a full line of Permachink products.
Yep.
They've got a 1-800 number in here. They have a hotline as well. They can tell you anything about their products, so they're very helpful as well.
Right, and if you're not sure if something needs to be done, if you want to get in touch with their salesman, just email us some photos. We can tell a lot from a picture, and we can give you some good guidance.
Yeah, definitely don't hesitate to call us. That's what we're here for.
Absolutely. So, guys, we appreciate you tuning in. If you have any questions about log home maintenance, just give us a call, and have a great rest of the day.
All right.
Thanks,
Appreciate
Bob.
y'all.